This is the Pilot Ishime fountain pen. The pen comes in a cardboard box. It has the Ishime pattern. Ishime translates to stone path, so it has a stone path look on the box lid. Inside is a bamboo box for the pen, and in the bottom of the box is information about the pen, the warranty, use and care guide, and all of that. Inside the bamboo box is a Pilot converter. It's a cartridge converter pen, so one converter or cartridge is included. And of course, we have the Pilot Ishime fountain pen. This is an urushi pen. It has a pattern on it that looks like a stone path design. Gold colored trim on the pen. It's just a plain top and bottom of the pen on both ends. There's a small ring or gold band here at the bottom of the cap. It is a threaded cap that will unscrew and will post on the end of the pen. It has just a black resin section with an 18 karat gold nib and a black feed. It is a cartridge converter pen, so the front section will unscrew. And it has a Pilot Con 70 converter included with the pen, so it holds a good amount of ink with that converter. Or you can use the Pilot cartridges as well if you want to use cartridges. Just a great little pen, great design. Get your Pilot Ishime fountain pen at penchalet.com.